Right, real clouds. Snot rocket haze over that way. Up here, snot rocket trail. Goes straight across. And then got this bloody big trail. That's a horrible trail, that one. Now where the planes have been, we've got all this white chemical shit. Pure white chemical shit and over the Pennines. Can't see a bloody thing. The whole lot obliterated. Anyway, not a lot going on now. Five past 4 afternoon, Tuesday 14th of May. I'll have to check the registration, but the plane that left a trail earlier is one of these. Talk of leaving trails, eh? So earlier he came up here, left a trail, looks like he went across towards Dumfries, and since then he's been doing west to east and back. Probably spraying all the bloody way, but can't prove it, I wasn't there. Anyway, just passing here now. I don't think I'll be able to see it. It's only 15,000 foot now anyway. But thought I'd include him. Here we have Jet 2. The bastard spraying us. Just about get the colours. Dirty bastard. Right across the sky. I lost the bloody thing. It's hard to see. Anyway, that's Jet 2. It's hard to see in all this milky crap, it really is. That's the one straight across. Right, it's Golf Juliet Zulu Hotel Romeo, Boeing 737 from Edinburgh to Turkey, and it's a snot rocket owned by Jet 2.